Tired of juggling leads and contacts between Wix and your CRM? Today, we're unlocking a secret weapon, seamlessly integrating Liondesk CRM with your Wix website to automate lead capture, supercharge your contact management, and boost your marketing power. First, head over to your Wix website backend. We're going to start by navigating to the settings menu. From there, you'll find an area that offers app market integrations. Click on a link for the Wix app market. This is where all the magic starts. In the search bar, type Liondesk and search for the app. Once you find the Liondesk app, carefully select it. Now, let's install it. The app will request certain permissions. Review these carefully and grant all necessary permissions to allow Liondesk to access and sync data with your Wix site. Now, we'll connect to the Liondesk account. Log into your Liondesk account. You may need to open additional tabs for the login page and the Liondesk authorization process. After you've connected your Liondesk and Wix accounts, data synchronization will start automatically. This means that all leads submitted through your Wix forms and contacts will now automatically populate within Liondesk. Enjoy automated processes such as lead qualification, contact tagging, and trigger-based email campaigns driven by data from Wix. Congratulations! Your seamless integration is now complete, improving overall business efficiency. Subscribe for more marketing tips.